Creating a privacy policy page in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create a privacy policy page in Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, go to page right here, and then just go to manage pages. Then after that, just click on add page. And then from here, we're gonna add a blank page. There you go. And then from here, let's just name this page privacy and policy. There you go. Click on done, and then there you go. So the next thing that we're gonna do is to add text in here for our privacy policy page. So I'll just add an element over here, text, and then from here, let's say I want to add paragraphs. So I want to add this one right here, and then there you go. Let's just resize it a bit. And there you go. So the next thing that we're going to do now is look for a privacy policy text. So let's just search up for free privacy policy, or you can use Google's privacy policy form. So it's this one over here. There you go. So what you can do is to just copy this, and then after you copy it, just go back to the Wix website and then just paste it in. You can also copy more privacy policies over here if you want to. And then once you're done, you can customize your text out, like changing the font size, changing the size of the text box, moving it around, and then there you go. So feel free to add more details to your privacy and policy page. And then once you're done, just simply click on save, and then there you go. It is now saved, and now we have a privacy policy page in our Wix website. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a privacy policy page on Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.